Hey guys, my name is Jasmine and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install your spare tire kit on your 2021 Acura RDX. Before we get into it, please remember that your safety is our #1 priority. Throughout this entire process, please take all precautions necessary to ensure your safety when installing your spare tire. If you purchase our safety kit, the next 20 seconds of the video will explain what's included and how to use it. One optional accessory we have are these collapsible wheel chocks. You're going to open them up, slide them under, and these can go under either unaffected tire. Another optional accessory kit we have is the safety kit, which includes this high visibility vest, safety triangles, and a pair of gloves. Hold up, real quick, I'm gonna introduce Matt, who will go over a couple things that are super important and may help you avoid some future headaches.
Hi, I'm Matt from Modern Spare. Some vehicles will have what they call decorative lug covers, and they can cause a headache if you're not familiar with them. So take a moment and see if your car has decorative lug covers over the lug nuts or lug bolts. Also, be sure to check to see if your car has locking lugs. Those are basically just devices that keep your wheels from being stolen. If you do have those, the key that is used to remove those lugs is found in the glove box, and it is compatible with one of our sockets.
Here's a pro tip. A really cool feature about our kit is that our carrying case can be used as a knee pad when lifting the car. Now that we are ready to proceed, before we lift the vehicle with the jack, we only need to loosen the lugs, but remember, only loosen them, do not remove them. Now that we have loosened the lugs and before lifting the vehicle, it is very important that you locate the proper lifting point of your vehicle. All modern vehicles have very specific lift points. Please refer to your owner's vehicle's manual and look under the vehicle to locate these lift points. Place the jack under the vehicle and raise it by hand until it makes contact with the vehicle lift point. Then make sure it is properly aligned with the lifting point. Begin raising the vehicle with the ratcheting jack handle, then pause and inspect the jack to ensure proper placement. Once confirmed it is safe to continue, raise the vehicle until the felled tire is completely off the ground. You can remove the lugs entirely by hand with using the socket. When removing the felled tire, use the proper lifting technique as demonstrated here to avoid any back strain. Once removed, locate your large poly tire bag, which is part of the complete spare tire kit. Open the bag and cover the felled tire. This will keep your car's interior clean. Next, let's place the wheel on the vehicle hub over the wheel studs. Make sure the wheel is placed securely against the hub. Use the socket to tighten the nuts by hand. For this vehicle specifically, you want to replace the factory lugs with the new lugs that come in your kit. Now you will switch the ratchet jack handle to begin lowering the jack. When the tire makes sufficient contact with the ground, finish tightening the lugs to spec. Make sure to tighten the lugs in the star pattern. Make sure to retrieve your wheel chocks and safety triangles if you are using them. With all that said and done, that's how you install your spare tire kit on a 2021 Acura RDX. We want to give a big shout out to Autolocity in Ogden for letting us use their vehicle. And lastly, please like and subscribe to our channel so you can follow along for any future updates and educations. See you guys next time.